So now I want to help you when deciding on which tweezers to use. Sometimes we think the more expensive the tweezer, that the better the outcome, and I personally don't agree with that. I've had some very, very inexpensive tweezers that I've loved over the years, and then I've gone back and I've purchased them again, and sadly they don't work the same. So I had to really work this out for myself, and it became very clear to me that what is absolutely essential, it doesn't matter what the tweezers are, like how, what brand they are, the most important thing is your slants, how fine they are. So the finer the slants are, the more precision work you're going to be able to do, the easier it's going to be to pick up your brow hair. And so you can see here that these are quite expensive tweezers, but you can see here that these are very fine. Can you see those ends, how fine they are? Even these that have got the rubber ends, you will also see that they have got very, very thin, very, very fine ends. So that's like really, really important. Can you see that? Now, if you do happen to find that you love a pair of tweezers and for some reason they're starting to get a little bit blunt with all of the great brow shaping you're going to be doing, then the most perfect way to help yourself with that is just to find a really good jeweler. And most good jewelers will take them in and sharpen them for you for a low price normally, and then you'll have your tweezers back to being fantastic and sharp again. Make sure you look after your tweezers all the time, clean them all the time, clean them well, and of course, make sure that you follow all of the hygiene and sanitation guidelines in your area.